Investors may make errors in calculating brokerage, leading to incorrect trading decisions or unexpected costs. Some brokerage firms have complex fee structures that can be difficult for investors to understand. This can make it challenging to calculate the true cost of trading. But don't worry, we've got just the solution for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to SAMCO Securities for such informative and solution-oriented videos. Firstly, let's quickly understand what brokerage is. Brokerage is the fee charged by brokers for facilitating buy and sell orders in the share market. It is usually a percentage of the total transaction value and can vary from broker to broker. Calculating brokerage is important as it helps investors understand the cost involved in buying and selling shares. So, let's dive in and learn how to calculate brokerage with the SAMCO Brokerage calculator. The first thing to consider is the brokerage rate charged by your broker. This rate can be a fixed amount or a percentage of the transaction value. For example, if your broker charges a brokerage rate of 0.1% and you buy shares worth 100,000 rupees, your brokerage will be 100 rupees. The other charges that may be levied by the stock exchange or the government are important to consider while calculating brokerage. These charges include Securities Transaction Tax, STT, Goods and Services Tax, GST, Stamp Duty, and other transaction fees. To calculate the total brokerage cost, you need to add the brokerage charged by your broker and any other charges that are applicable. For example, if your brokerage is 100 rupees and the STT is 50 rupees, the total brokerage cost will be 150 rupees. It's important to keep in mind that brokerage is not the only cost involved in buying and selling shares. There may be additional costs such as demat account charges, account opening charges, and annual maintenance charges. In conclusion, calculating brokerage is an important aspect of trading in the share market. It helps investors understand the cost involved in buying and selling shares and make informed investment decisions. We hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SAMCO for all things investments. Thank you for watching.
From SAMCO, the new-gen mobile trading platform. Ace the Index.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.